这个小小旗65毫米，小飞机，降落，降落，降落。
Isn't it pretty durable? Today, we are going to assemble a 65 TinyWhoop.
Here are the parts we will be using.
Now let's get started with the assembly. Step 1. Solder the camera to the flight controller. Step 2. Mount the motor on the frame using screws. Step 3. Screw the flight controller to the frame with screws. For our builds, the motor wires can be directly plugged into the flight controller. Make sure the motor wires are routed underneath the whoop frame. Step 4. Attach the propeller directly to the motors.
Take note that our propellers are configured for reverse spin, so you will need to turn on motor reverse in the settings. When bending, ensure your radio controller's refresh rate is set to 250 Hz, and you are good to go.